Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm in my warehouse. I'm talking to my brother-in-law, James Hooks, about a totally healthy lifestyle change that I plan on doing. But I want to ask the question, he's a guy, lose weight as a guy, fast. Can women lose weight just as easily? All right, so you stop drinking soda and you lose 20 pounds, I lose 2. We've seen the commercial, right? We know that happens.
It's true.
Why is this one different? Why does it seem like it works for women when other plans don't?
Sure. Our plan is rooted and based on science, right? We have it calculated right down to the nth degree how much your body needs to function properly, right? And to get you into a point where you can get rid of the extra fat, right? We're not just trying to lose weight. We're trying to help you get rid of your extra body fat, right? Which is really what we're after.
So that sounds good.
Yes.
And it sounds like a slogan tagline that every diet plan does. But I'm practical.
Sure.
So I'm busy. I'm a stress eater. I'm an emotional eater.
Yes.
I'm female, so I'm emotional. And so how is this plan doable for me? Because there's some days I just don't have the time. I'm a reseller. Time is money. I just don't have time to deal with it. My kid's freaking out at me, and so in those moments, how is it different than, another plan?
Yeah, a big part of that is a lack of meal prep, right? Meal prep is really the issue.
You don't have to meal prep.
Right, very, very little. There's one meal a day, right, that you'll be...
One meal.
Yeah, you can do one meal. Like anybody can do one meal, right? And that one meal could literally be, right, here's some grilled chicken and I'm gonna open a can of green beans. It could be that simple. Okay. Sometimes I have to do it that simple because my life is crazy, right? But it could be that simple, or it could be complicated as you want, right? So it really just kind of depends on how much of a foodie you are.
Okay, so basically, from what you've told me already, you eat 6 times a day,
yes.
Which sounds overwhelming, but you provide the first 5, and then we have to basically prepare one meal. And that
just
can be any time of the day. It can be lunch, or I'm a late night person, so if I decide to eat it at 9 o'clock at night, that's still fine.
Yeah. Once you wake up, right, within an hour of waking up, you're gonna eat, and then every 2 to 3 hours after that, however that fits in that gap in your schedule.
Okay.
It's very simple.
All right.
I tell people all the time that this program is so simple.
Okay.
And that's what I needed.
Exercise. I don't have time for that.
Yep, neither do I.
So you don't exercise?
I have not increased my exercise at all. So
were you active before or not really?
Other than the small amount of exercise I was getting on my mail route, right, as a mail carrier. And not the mail carrier that walks the loop and walks several miles a day. The mail carrier that's sitting in his truck driving all day, right? And this is my exercise. Out the window, open the mailbox, put it in, shut it, drive on.
So you've seen some success personally in your own personal life with women losing weight.
Yes, my wife decided to jump onto this plan because, again, she was scared that I was going to weigh less than her, right? It's a legitimate fear. She jumped on just a few weeks after I did. She is 12 weeks on program now, and she's down 40 pounds, right?
Wow.
That's huge. That's life-changing stuff.
And I've seen it happen. It personally happened to her. James Hooks is my brother-in-law, legitimately.
Yes.
I want to put his link in the Facebook page, or his personal Facebook page. It's not a business one. It's not even a Facebook page. It's his personal Facebook profile. James D. Hooks. It'll be down in the link below. Please contact him if you want him to be your coach. I wanted to let you guys know, and the reason why I'm doing this video is I'm personally going to start this plan. I'm terrified that I'm going to cheat. I'm terrified that I'm going to not have the success that I've seen with everybody else, but I also do not want to be the fat one in the family. You've seen plenty of my videos. I've got the extra weight to shed. I get mean comments on YouTube, and I'm tired of them. But mostly I just want to be more healthy, because in the reseller world, you got to kind of hustle. You got to, go out there and do the job. And the more energy that I have, the better I can be at it, and the more income I can bring in for my family so I can live real life. So that's the real reason why I'm getting on this plan. I have personal coach. He will be my coach. If you want him to be your coach and you want real truth, you can ask me or him, but I'm going to be starting this plan. I want to bring you guys along with the journey. And when I screw up, believe me, I'm real. I'm going to let you know. And when I have success, I'm going to let you know too. So if you want to sign up with him, he has a free gift for anybody who mentions Hooked on Pickin.
Yes.
He'll offer that to you guys when you just order. All you do is order the food. He does not cost anything. He comes pro bono with the food plan.
Yes.
And mainly when you're buying the food, you're buying just those 5 meals that you're going to eat. And so that's really where the cost is. And it's a month worth at a time when you first start.
Yes.
So I'm going to start. I will let you know how the journey goes, and I'm going to make updates. And so pray for me that I do well. Encourage me. If you guys are haters out there and you don't want me to go on the plan, you can just leave your comments to the side. I don't want to. So he's going to be there to encourage me and not judge me. That's the one thing I do know about him, is when I struggle, he's not going to judge me. He's just going to be like, okay, what can we do different?
Yes.
And so he's not a drill sergeant coach. So if you want to talk to him directly, his link is in the description. Contact him directly. He'd be glad to talk to you. And I'm really excited about this new journey. I got my new warehouse that I'm scanning in. That was one new step. This is my next new step.
All kinds of new stuff.
I know. I'm really excited about it. So if this is something that interests you, contact him. Let me know what you think. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.